Hello, I can see you.
Whoa.
You hear the sound it's making?
Holy shit, what is it?
Well,
Look at it.
I'm gonna have to start putting protection around the house so he doesn't come here very close.
It's just between the trees.
Yeah. It knows that we can see it. That's why he's hanging around. He's making a weird noise.
So he's sitting over South Edmonton right now, over like
Oh,
Millwoods.
he's going down. Where's he going? He's going
Straight
down somewhere. Okay, as long as you don't come here.
I'll come back when he comes back.